If you or the person you sleep next to rotates like a rotisserie chicken all through the night, you know how annoying it is to get up and make that bed at 3 a.m. just so you can get a good night's sleep. This is the solution you're looking for, and a big thank you to the team for very kindly sending it out for us to try out. We've been loving it. This is a bed sheet holder system. It's super easy to install, and in the box you get everything you need. All you need to do to set it up is to insert the base here into the corner of each bed. It slides in super easily, and it's absolutely fine if you've got balances and mattress toppers too. And once you've added the sheet to the bed, you simply add the lock on top, give it a twist, and it'll keep that sheet locked into place. It takes minutes to install, and the sheet holders don't have any metal teeth, so they're very fabric friendly, and they work with all mattress sizes as well. This is such a great solution if you're a particularly active sleeper. It'll keep everything in place for a really nice comfortable sleep. It's super easy to install and made it so much easier to have a great night's sleep. And thanks again to the team for sending it out to us. We really do appreciate it.